Hello everyone. The AI video scene has been incredibly competitive lately. We've all seen those hyper-realistic clips with lip sync generated by VO3 or even Sora going viral online, not to mention the mind-blowing physics simulation. It's truly amazing. But here's the catch. What if you want to tell a slightly longer story? Are you stuck stitching together a bunch of short clips, potentially dealing with inconsistent character appearances? Well, what if I told you that the two powerful tools we're introducing today allow you to leverage existing top-tier AI models to generate highly creative scripts for free, set professional visual styles, and even complete an entire short film from scratch? With these tools, you genuinely just need a few clicks to go from a simple idea to rapidly completing the initial story conception and final video production. All right, everyone, the first tool we're deep diving into today is called Catalyst AI. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description below. As you can see, its core value proposition is creating visually consistent stories. While the free version has limitations on characters and subsequent generation, its capabilities in script ideation and style setting are truly outstanding. And you can start experiencing this part of the tool completely free. Let's quickly go over its core features. One click from idea to script. Massively simplifies the initial brainstorming process. Rich visual style library helps you quickly determine the visual tone of your story. No AI expertise required. The interface is designed to be very intuitive, allowing beginners to get started quickly. You can see it's already trusted by many reputable sources. So enough talk, let's jump right in and click Try for free. As usual, logging in with a Google account is the most convenient and fastest way. After logging in, you'll see a main interface like this. It showcases various inspirations or templates that you can directly use and modify for your own projects. On the left menu, you can choose to generate from idea or script, start from a blank project, or even create presets, which allows you to save your common settings as templates, a very thoughtful feature. Okay, let's quickly start creating. Click on Generate from Idea or Script. You'll be brought to this interface. Here you have two options. Upload your existing script. Let the AI generate a script for you. Since I don't have a script ready right now, let's try its Smart Script Generation feature. We have a prompt box here where you can input the core idea of your story. You can also set the desired number of scenes. For example, a story about a futuristic city detective tracking a lost android. Then we just click Generate Script. As you can see, the AI has started writing the script for us. It's very fast. Before long, a complete script with 10 scenes is generated. The best part is that this script is not set in stone. You can click into each scene and freely edit the dialogue, action descriptions, etc. If you're not happy with the overall story, you can click the delete button to start over completely, or modify your core idea and have the AI regenerate it. For example, changing futuristic city to steampunk city regeneration is also very fast. After editing, we can also select the aspect ratio. We'll keep it at 16.9, suitable for short stories. Once all settings are confirmed, click Next. Now we move into the style selection phase of the project. There's a vast library of visual styles available here. Since we're aiming for realism, we might choose cinematic or realistic, but you can absolutely pick anime, fantasy, cyberpunk, etc. based on your story's theme. Once selected, click Create Project. Alright, up to this point, Catalyst AI has helped us complete the story script conception, editing, and the visual style setting. This is an excellent starting point. However, the subsequent steps, such as storyboard generation and video rendering, require upgrading to a paid plan to continue. Although our free journey with Catalyst AI concludes here, the high-quality script and style direction it provided have undoubtedly laid a solid foundation for the subsequent creation process. Okay, having introduced Catalyst as a professional pre-production tool, let's immediately look at the second one. This is a more complete, free workflow from zero to finished film. Imagine if I told you that you could create a movie like this for free, with zero filmmaking experience, and all within an hour. Most people think you need a huge budget, high-end cameras, and a full team to create something that looks professional. But that's completely wrong. I just created this entire short film using only free AI tools and my laptop. If you want to follow along, all the tool links are in the description. First, we need a story. Let's open ChatGPT. I've linked the exact template in the description below. But before we start, let me tell you how it works. When you input your prompt, you need to remember that the more detail you add, the better the result. Don't just say, write me a movie script. Instead, tell it the genre, the mood, how many scenes you want, and what kind of story you're looking for. For example, I chose a sci-fi adventure story about a lone astronaut discovering an ancient obelisk. Each scene has a detailed description, including character descriptions, environmental details, and even camera angle suggestions. This is exactly what I need for the next step because AI image generators work best with specific, detailed prompts. Let me demonstrate with the first scene. ChatGPT gave me this complete prompt. A lone astronaut in a white spacesuit covered in red dust, walking through a vast, desolate canyon on a red planet. Their helmet light casts a harsh white beam, illuminating towering rock walls and mysterious alien glyphs carved into them. Style, cinematic realism. 35mm film grain, wide-angle lens 28 mm, harsh, bright helmet lighting. Now that we have the scene, let's go to Leonardo AI, which is a free AI image generator. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. It gives you 150 tokens daily, which is more than enough for our short film. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Click on Image Generation in the middle. First, turn on Legacy mode. Then we can paste our prompt. Here are the settings we can adjust. Before generating, set the aspect ratio to 16.9 since we're making a movie, and keep the number of images at 4. This gives me more options to choose from. I click Generate, and after about 30 seconds, I get 4 different versions of my scene. The results are truly incredible. Look at this, it perfectly captured what I wanted. For the second key scene, the close-up of the obelisk, I used this prompt. A sleek black obelisk, pulsing with a soft blue light from within. Energy patterns ripple across its smooth surface. The reflection of the astronaut's visor is visible on the monument. Shallow focus on the glowing glyphs on the obelisk, 50 millipercent lens, strong contrast between the cold blue glow and the red planet background. Now comes the really exciting part where we turn these static images into dynamic video clips. I'm using Kling AI. It offers a free plan with enough credits to make a short film. And the quality is truly unbelievable compared to other tools. However, Kling's free plan can have some delays during peak hours. If you hit the limit and have no other options, Runway ML and Pika both offer free generations for your short film. They all work similarly. You upload your image and describe the motion you want. Now let's head over to Kling AI and create my account. Once inside, I click on Video on the main dashboard. Here you'll upload your first scene image. Then paste the corresponding prompt, a slow forward dolly shot, as the astronaut walks slowly deeper into the massive red canyon. The helmet light sweeps across the rock walls. Fine red dust motes float around their feet. Slight handheld camera shake for realism. Then I upload the close-up image of the obelisk and paste this video prompt. An extremely slow push-in, zoom shot, focusing on the obelisk. The internal blue light pulses rhythmically, energy ripples across its smooth surface. The astronaut's reflection remains still. Dust motes float slowly in the blue light. These look insane. Now I need to add narration to tie everything together. For this, I'm using ElevenLabs, which has the most realistic AI voices I've ever heard. Here's the narration script ChatGPT wrote for my film. I paste this text into the text box and click Generate. In about 10 seconds, I have professional quality narration. Now download this audio file because we'll need it in the final step. That's it. I export my movie and it's done. Now that you understand the whole process, let's watch the final product together.
At the edge of known space, Commander Eva stepped into the void. The red desert whispered of ages long past, until she found it. In that moment, profound isolation gave way to awe.
If you found this guide on using AI tools helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and let's move on to the next tool right away.